How do I remove this old flue pipe? There's an old chimney for a furnace in my basement which is no longer being used, and I'd like to take it out. It's going through cinder block, with concrete ceiling around both sides. Outer diameter is 10, inner is 6, and it feels very solid, almost like there's something between the inner and outer walls, is there? Last year we had the roof replaced, and this no longer goes through it, so I'm just concerned with the wall penetration. Any tips on removal? I am guessing there's not much to disassemble here, and it'll mostly involve a sledgehammer, sawzall and pry bars. Is there any concern with whatever is in the lining? Question from user Greg Mack at Stack Exchange. Answer: the pipe just disassembles, by twisting, then pulling. Usually counterclockwise, but you can examine the end at the top to verify. At over $250 each piece new, handle those with care and save them for sale as used, rather than dropping and trashing them. You appear to be contemplating an expensive destructive removal. The wall connection will need to use a long masonry bit. Rent a drill capable of doing that if you don't own one around it to free it up so you can remove it without destroying it. I believe if you check the cost of that part alone, you'll find the used sales price pays for the tool rental, easily. And sawing stainless steel is miserable work, while a rented SDS Max with an 18-bit will go through the mortar around it easily. Then fill in the hole with bricks and mortar or concrete as you prefer. Answer from user Eknerwall at Stack Exchange.